Spices are essential ingredients in the cuisine of South and Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and the Mediterranean region. The top 5 spice-producing countries in the world are India, China, Nigeria, Indonesia, and Bangladesh. Sri Lanka is not a big player in the global spice market. The number 1 spice export of Sri Lanka is Ceylon cinnamon. It is also known as true cinnamon and famous for its quality over the other cinnamon varieties in the world due to the lower content of a chemical constituent known as coumarin. Black pepper, nutmeg, cloves, and cardamom from Sri Lanka are also famous for their superior quality, attributed to their favorable chemical compositions. Spices serve multiple purposes in cooking. Vanilla, cinnamon, and cardamom are commonly used to enhance the flavor and aroma of dishes. Pepper, chili, ginger, and mustard add pungency. For coloring, spices like paprika, turmeric, and saffron are used. Clove, coriander, and garlic are often utilized for masking or deodorizing. The chemical constituents in spices make each spice unique. These constituents can be broadly divided into 2 groups. They are volatile components and non-volatile components. The composition of these components varies depending on the spice species, variety, plant part and its maturity, environmental conditions, growing conditions, harvesting and storing conditions. Let us first consider the non-volatile components of spices. It can be a mixture of any of the following: pungent principles, coloring matter, starch, sugars, triglycerides, phenolic compounds, fixed oils or non-volatile oils, gums and mucilage, cellulose and other inert material. Pungent principles. There are different pungent principles that give different sensations such as spicy, sharply penetrating, hot burning, or sulfury sensation. The pungent principles of ginger are gingerols and zingerone. They are phenolic compounds. Gingerols are a family of compounds. The number of carbon atoms present in the aliphatic chain of gingerols differs. Gingerols are heat sensitive. If ginger is heated above 60 degrees, gingerol undergoes dehydration to give sugalols. Piperine is the pungent principle of black pepper. Sri Lankan black pepper is superior in quality and pungency as it has higher piperine content. The compound of all kinds of chili that gives a pungent sensation to taste buds or hotness is capsaicin. It is found in the inner white pith, where the seeds are attached, or the rib of the chili pepper. Coloring matter. The color imparted by spices may be due to a combination of several colored components present in the spice. These compounds are oil-soluble or water-soluble. The best example of a colored spice is turmeric. Its color is due to the phenolic pigment, which is called curcumin. Depending on the amount of curcumin present, the color varies from bright yellow to pale yellow. Curcumin can exist in 2 forms, enol form and keto form. It is called keto-enol tautomerism. In paprika, the brilliant red color is due to a mixture of carotenoids. Capsanthin, which is oil-soluble and heat-stable, is the major carotenoid in paprika. Fixed oils. The major component of the fixed oils is triglyceride. Triglycerides are esters formed between fatty acids and glycerol. The fat content of nutmeg is very high. The main triglyceride found in nutmeg is trimyristin. Commonly found fatty acids in spices are oleic acid, palmitic acid, and linoleic acid. Starch. A major component of pepper is starch. It is 52% of the total dry weight of white pepper. In dry turmeric, the starch content is 47 to 57%, while in dry ginger it is about 12%. In all three of these, the major starch found is amylose. Volatile oils. Volatile oils are soluble in alcohol, ether, and fixed oils, but insoluble in water. They can be extracted by distillation. The boiling points of volatile components range from 180 to 250 degrees centigrade. Volatile oils are never fractionated. Fractionation causes a loss of value due to the removal of individual components. The compounds in volatile oils belong to two major classes. They are hydrocarbons, which include mainly terpenes, and oxygenated compounds. Phenols, alcohols, esters, aldehydes, ketones, and ethers are some examples for oxygenated compounds. The table here shows the major compounds found in the volatile oil of 7 spice oils: pepper, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, nutmeg, mace, and ginger oil. These oils can be extracted by distillation of various plant parts. Saponine, camphene, pinene, limonene, zingiberine, bisabolene, and caryophyllene are examples of hydrocarbon constituents. Cinnamaldehyde, eugenol, myristicin, cineol, terpineol, and terphenyl acetate are examples of oxygenated compounds present in volatile oils. Spices are more than just flavor enhancers in food. They impart a lot of health benefits due to the unique chemical constituents present in them.